Morning, today's topic is drought. As usual, we are going to discuss before, during, and after drought. Okay, the objectives of this, at the end of this lesson, the students are expected to define drought, identify the signs of drought that can be seen easily in our naked eye, adapt ways to save water in our home, and of course, discuss the different types of drought. Okay, so drought is a natural disaster which is weather related. So it is natural. We have man-made, um, but normally it is natural because it is weather related. We have two kinds of seasons here in our country. We have dry season. We have wet season. Yung wet season yung tag-ulan, yung La Nina, and we have also El Nino. Okay. Yung pag sinabing El Nino, it's extreme, no? Dryness. Ito yung pumapasok yung drought to us. Pero this is just a temporary. Sabi nga, drought is a temporary aberration, okay, which differs from aridity or dryness and is restricted to low rainfall regions. Anyway, alam natin it is expected that rains comes by May, June, July, hanggang December na. At marami na tayong tubig dito and dryness ay madaling ma-eliminate sa atin. It is a permanent feature of climate. It's irregular. It causes water shortage and crops or crop damage. So the government is always ready on this. Drought is inside this nature's hazards. It's more physical phenomenon or natural event. Its impact results from relation between natural event and demands on the water supply. So increase of growth algae in lakes, ponds, and slow-moving bodies of water. Fishes and other aquatic animals cannot thrive safely in water. So this would be the result of drought, low water supply. Pati mga fishes and aquatic animals ay naapektuhan. Animals are no longer safe to drink water from the river or stream kasi nagiging parang maputik na. Okay? And swimming is not advisable. Okay. So these are the signs, okay, of we are experiencing drought. Yung low groundwater and reservoir levels, bumababa yan. Usually merong measurement yan, and pag medyo critical level na, no, at medyo yung tinatawag na hindi pa naman sign for drought na basta pababa ng bababa, people those who are in the irrigation are asking or looking for rain or thunderstorms. Unusual low river flows, no. Dati mataas yan, ngayon bumababa na. Soil which is very dry, ito usually na nakikita natin na nagkakaroon ng crack, no. At yung mga crops, yung mga pananim doon ay nagkakamatayan and hindi na nagbubunga. Algae blooms in reservoir and lakes. Okay, what is this? The protracted period of deficient precipitation brought by drought causes extensive damage to crops, resulting in loss of our products. Yung mga pananim. Okay, so again and again, pag walang precipitation or thunderstorms or rains sa ating lugar ay nagkakaroon ng damage sa ating mga pananim. Okay, there are different types of drought. We have, based on national drought centers, meteorological, agricultural, hydrological, and socioeconomic drought. Okay, so when we talk about meteorological, this is defined on the basis of the degree of the dryness as well as its duration period. Normally, merong areas or merong period ang dryness sa bansa. Pero pag ito ay tumagal pa, no, ito ay magkakos ng matinding kahirapan sa mga masa, lalo na sa ang taong bayan, sa water, di ba? So, pati iniinom natin ay naapektuhan. So it depends on the region since the atmospheric conditions that results in the deficiencies of precipitation are highly variable from region to region. And nagkakaroon ng change o tinatawag na climate change. Medyo minsan merong mahabang drought, no, or na-experience yung tinatawag na El Nino, and it can be seen, no, in different areas. So the assessment of the meteorological drought are based on daily rainfall information, temperature, humidity, wind velocity, and pressure. So ito yung mga instruments na ginagamit. Now, another one is agricultural drought, yung sa ating mga pananim. It is a period where there is inadequate soil moisture to meet the needs of the particular crop at a particular time. So, pag nagtanim ka, ay dapat mayroong sufficient supply ng moisture, ng water para yung ating pananim ay maging maayos. So it is linked to agricultural impacts, which focuses on the precipitation shortages between actual and potential differences, deficits of soil water, reduced groundwater or reservoir level, etc. Pero so far the government is active on this. That's why we have irrigation or National Irrigation Authority, okay, yung mga dam area, sila yung nagmamanage yan, yung NIA, okay, para just to supply the needs of our agriculture. The demands of plants and water depends on prevailing weather conditions, biological characteristics of specific plants, and the physical and biological properties of the soil. So we have two, meteorological and agricultural. Now, hydrological drought. Ito yung, it refers to the deficiencies in surface and subsurface water supplies. Okay, so, kasi meron naman talaga ng water sa surface. Ito yung sa ilog, maging sa ilalim ng earth, meron pa another one. So it is measured as stream flow, snowpack, and lakes reservoir, and groundwater level. Diba? Katulad ng meron tayong poso. So yung sa poso, pag ikaw ay pinapump mo siya, lumalabas yung water. At pag wala na, no, empty na yun, then ibig sabihin said na. Okay, ito yung mga hydraulical water. Yung water deep inside the earth, okay, or land. Hence, hydrological measurements tends to lag other drought indicators. Okay, this is very interesting kasi has to do with effect lang to ng natural. Socioeconomic drought. It is a period when the health, well-being, and quality of life of the people is affected by the physical water shortages, or when the drought starts affects the supply and demands of an economic product. So, it's like a domino effect, no? Pag nawala ng water supply, so the tendency is hindi makaligo, hindi makaayos, lalo na yung mga totally dependent on the water supplies, like ang business mo is water. Okay? So, ano yung ibibigay mo na mga refilling stations? Okay? So, wala. And there are some ways to save waters. So, this is very interesting na dapat natin gawin. One, in our home, if there is leak pipes, no, i-repair ka agad yon. No, wag nang ipagbukas pa. Kasi tuloy-tuloy siyang nasasayang yung tubig. Never pour down water for washing clothes, since it can be used for watering plants and wash. Kasi pagkatapos maglaba, di ba, tinatapon lang. So, pwede yan sa mga ibang mga pangailangan, like toilet bowls, so sayang of water. Washers and leaking faucets should be replaced. Just take a short showers only, as much as possible. Fill a jug or pitcher and store drinking water. Then place it in the refrigerator. Okay, and toilet leaks should be checked. replace an old toilet bowls in a low model that uses less than half the water of the older types. Okay, kung may pera para man lang. Washing machines should be operated only when fully loaded or set the water level of your load. Kung isa lang, mag-hand wash ka na lang. Wait till your dishwasher is fully loaded before you start washing. The water should be turned off while washing of your face, brushing your teeth, or shaving. So, minsan tuloy-tuloy yung ng water. Your shower head should be replaced with a low model. So, these are the tips. For outdoor naman, if your community experiencing drought, adhere to water conservation regulation and restriction. Group the plants according to the water needs. May may mga plantita at plantita dyan na yung may mga mini-maintain na plants regularly for water. May mga plants naman na hindi kailangan ng water too much, no? So, i-group lang daw. As much as possible, do not use water hose in cleaning the car. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for listening. God bless.